All right, what's going on? So this today is strictly the futures account. I'm trading with Top Step. I have the 50K account, which is 45 to get into. So, but we're gonna go over this week's trades, which made me about 1925 this week. So I'm on the first stage of it. So the profit target is 3,000 to move on to the live account, and right now I'm currently sitting at 1925. So hopefully I can have a good week next week. But I know I like to trade Nikkei 225 stocks that because it's in the afternoon around the time when I look at my forex stuff as well. So as you know, I'm a forex day trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm a swing trader, and I trade off the daily time frame. So I wait for the longer term moves, but every day I check the market. I can also jump into the futures market around 1900, which is 7 o'clock p.m. That's when I look for my moves on the futures market. All right. So first things first, we're gonna jump into this is off the 15-minute time frame, and I have a few of them. The reason I have 5 indicators, I'm not gonna go into all of them, but the main one you want to focus on is the sessions. All right. So when I go into the sessions, all right, I look at Asia is the market I'm trading. You know, the key at 225 or the 225 stocks. Uh, and it pretty much simple. If you go into the indicators, just type in sessions. All right, right here, by Junior FS Addict. You know, highlight it, whatever the case you want to do, and then that's pretty much it for this one. And also the 20 SMA. I have the 20 right here. You see, as you go to inputs, 20 style. You know, click on it. I have yellow. Make it as big as you want. All right, again, go to 20. This is the SMA. You can go to indicators again. Just type SMA by R. Thompson. No, I'm sorry. Simple moving averages. Stock and box. Just click on that and you'll be good to go. All right. If you haven't looked at my previous videos, make sure you check the click the box up here for the tag, and it'll tell you my strategy. But we're gonna go over it simply again. So this day, which is Wednesday, and I didn't get into any other trades. I think I missed this one. Yeah, I missed that one. So I'm gonna pull this up on the screen so you can see I did take a loss, and the loss was the loss was MNQ. So I tried to get in at a time that I don't normally trade because there was some news coming. So I didn't like the trade, so I just got out. But as you can see, I started off, and we're gonna go over this on the chart. Um, all NKD, which is Nikkei, um, 750 right here, and all these was 20 points. I get in and get out of this market. All right. So these were two trades right here. These were the same trades, 750 and 200. Because I seen it going up, and that was the one I took during the news. I think it was the FOMC news. So I took both of them. I liked the way it was going, so I took both of those right there. Then the next day was the 500 trade. The next day at Asian time frame. And then, of course, I tried to jump in this time. I don't normally trade that, so I learned, move on from that. And then 475 was the last day. I think that was the Thursday. Thursday was the last day of that. So as you can see, I didn't take any trades Monday and Tuesday. This is Monday. Real nice trade on that Sunday, actually. And then that Monday, I just didn't like the way it was looking. But if you look at it, I forgot what I was doing Monday, but I think I might have been working out. But if you look right here, same strategy, boom, you could actually take the trade right there for 20 points. And with me, my strategy is just 20 points, get in and get out, call it a day. All right, 20 points right there. Boom, you'd have been out the market. And so if you can see right here, all right, these candles I take, they're momentum candles. All right. But I have to see two close, like on the buy. I have to see two close completely over, two candle lows completely over the 20 EMA. So if you can see completely over, boom, right there. All right. So we're going to get rid of that one. So you can see, let me just do a smaller one. All right. So right there, Boom. So for this day, as you can see, they show you not at 1700. I didn't see anything. This was all choppy this day. So I seen one, right, but nothing else. Then it came back down, and nothing really momentum wise. I'm not trading at this time frame anyway. All right, as you can see, let's get rid of this, and then go on this day at night. And for this strategy, you have to, for me personally, you have to go at 1900. All this other stuff, this is, the market's closing and reopening, and the spread. Like I know on forex the spreads, but not on. There's no spreads on in options, not options. I'm sorry, in futures. All right, so I see one momentum candle break, nothing. All right, another one break, but it just, this didn't look right to me because it didn't completely close. All right, and then right here, I'm not trading anymore. All right, so look right here. This was during the day. All right, this was during the day. That's when the news came up, and I saw this momentum candle. I jumped in for 20 points and called it a 20 ticks, 20 points, whatever you want to call it. All right. And then I took the two trades right here, which was 750 and 200 right there. All right. And then for this one, I don't know. Oh, I took this one late. But if you can see, my strategy actually worked right here. All right. And I think it was next door neighbor came over. So I was outside talking to him. And so I missed this entry. But I did see the momentum was going down. So I went, I jumped in again. And luckily it didn't reverse on me. But when you I'm sorry, my bad. Take this one out, not 200. All right. So initially on this strategy, you want to see it break. You want to see it break, close with two candle highs. Again, watch this. Two candle highs. Boom, right here. I'm sorry. Right here. Boom. So nice momentum candles past 1700, 19, not 1700, 1900. This one you want to start looking right here. See, boom, momentum, little choppiness, another push down. All right, little choppiness, another push down. All right. So this day I got in right here, which is well past my time of trading, but it still played in my favor. 500 right there. All right, and then right here, sometimes you might have to wait a little bit, see if it's 1900. See, nothing but choppiness. Finally get one at 2000. Boom, boom, a quick 20 points. You can see it push back up, and then actually reversed around 1 o'clock, but I was out the market by then. And then as you can see on Friday during the day, nothing but choppiness. So this is the way I look at it. Again, let's just play this out. All right. Number one, all right, 1900. Let's just do for you guys is 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's what I go off of. Number two is trading time in 225, which is NKD. When you trade, we trade futures. All right. Number two, all right, 20 SMA. All right, break. Momentum. All right. Momentum candle. All right. All right. So let's say for a sale, we want 2 candle highs. Close completely under the SMA. All right, we're gonna just do the sale today. All right, 2 candle low, 2 for sale. I'm saying 2 candle highs have to completely break under the 20 SMA. Momentum candles. All right, at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, that's what we're looking for. All right, and 20 points. I'm sorry, 20 ticks. Is all we looking for. In and out, in and out. It has to be momentum candles, as you can see right here. All right, so screenshot this, do what you got to do. These are the rules, pretty plain and simple. Pretty plain and simple. Don't complicate nothing. All right, so if you look right here, you have to realize, all right, there was, look at this, 1900. If you look on this date, 1900, okay, you can see, oh, I'm gonna get in early. Boom, look at this, 1, 2. These are not momentum candles, all right. And if you'd have took these, it would have consolidated on all day. You would have gave you a headache. All right. So momentum breaks. 1, look at this. Break down momentum. All right. You have to see volume. When I say momentum, you want to see volume in the market. All right. It broke up. All right. This was the high of the week. All right. But look at this. Momentum. Just go back and look at it and just start back testing and seeing how this pair works. I like this pair. It's pretty consistent. It's no fake outs, none of that good stuff. No, especially we're not dealing with forex, so there's no spreads. It gets me in where I need to get in, and I'm out. So real quick, that's what we're gonna go over today. Pretty plain and simple for the futures. So I'll go off. Let's do this. This is what let me show you exactly the one I went up to. Let's see if we can find it. 1 second, guys. All right. Let's see if we can find it, and I can show you exactly when I did. All right. Why does it keep doing that? All right. Boom. All right. So we're gonna just go over this real quick. All right. All right. So this is all I did right here, and you go to topstep.com. This is the one I did. The 50K to 49 right here. All right, I selected that. You can only go up to 5 contracts, $2,000 loss limit. So the biggest thing with Nikkei 225 is that you only want to do 1 contract with the 50K account. Reason being is if you go more than 2 or 3, more than 2 contracts, and you go more than 20 ticks, you will blow your daily 1,000 loss limit for the day. All right, I'm telling you this because I've done it before, so don't do it. So if you want to do more on the Nikkei, if you want to do something like that, you want to do 150 or the 100K. But I have this one right here, so you just select it. Verify I'm human. All right, so right here, let's see, successful. All right, and you just go sign in, all that good stuff. But let's go back to right here. This is pretty much what I want to show you. All right. Other than that, again, I'm going to reiterate the 7 p.m. This is just the futures strategy I use. All right. Don't use the strategy I use as far as the 20 ticks. But we're going to go back over again my forex strategy. All right. Again, let's look at this. So now we move into forex. All right. If you don't trade forex, you can look at my other videos as far as futures goes. All right, so I have been waiting on this trade since again, I placed it June 4th. All right, sell stop didn't trigger till the 12th. So look at this. I placed this sell stop on the 4th. See that? It didn't click in till it didn't break me until the 12th right here. And as you can see right now, it's going in our favor. All right, and we're up about 29 points. We're going for 29 pips. We're going for 60 pips, and we're out of this trade. All right, see that? If you look at this, support broke through. All right, and we're looking for right about here support. I figure it's going to break through again, and then potentially. Right now, as long as it don't show me any basically bias of going the opposite direction, we're gonna stay bearish for right now. We're gonna stay bearish. But again, if you look at the higher time frame, it looks this looks like an M to me. All right, so I can see another, once it come down here, I can see it doing another retracement and coming back down. But I don't see any reason to go bullish right now. I'm all bearish on this one. And if you go down here to my forex screener, like I said, always, you got the 20, 50, 200. All right, and if you look at CAD shift, look at that. Go to the monthly, go to the weekly, go to the daily time frame. All right, all bullish, all bullish. And I don't see no reason to go bearish right now. All right, and if that is my take on that one. And then I don't see any news right here coming up for CAD. But if we can look at Forex Factory, and let's look at Forex Factory, see what's coming up for the CAD pairs in the next month or so. Let's just look at CAD Chef. Let me see. Let me break out. Boom, boom, boom. You take these off. All right, so I don't see nothing until June 20th. And then we have June 25th. And then we have June 28th. And then we have July 5th. So I'm going to be honest. On the daily time frame, what I see, the news catalyst and the momentum comes, it only pushes it back in that same direction that you're looking at. All right. And then the market sentiment right now is most the retail traders are bullish. And I normally like to go against them. And it's worked in my favor. All right. So let's go to the next. All right. If you can see right here. All right. We jumped in. Hey, let's go GBP. Let's look at the overall. All right. And let's go monthly. All right. Weekly. Daily. All strong sell bearish. And this is the good one for me. This goes off my same strategy I told you about in the other one. And if you just pull out, boom, and another one right here. All right, so I can see you going that way. So if you got in euro, pound, you can actually take another buy. Let's go over here. And now this is not financial advice. It's just something I'm going to do. All right, if you look at, and I said buy, but you can sell at. This is what I'm going to do. All right, you do what you want to do. You can sell. Oh. All right, here we go. Sell at 0.84360. All right, this is what I would do. I'm not telling what you do. What you want to do. It's your money. It's your trading account. It's your prop firm account. But this is a good entry for me that I would take again since it came back up. Retested this entry point, this buy stop, this sell stop, and we go from there. All right, again, this is where I see it going. All right, Euro NZD. Let's look if Steve is still strong. Let's go. Euro NZD. All right, boom, boom, and oh, did it change? Oh, it's neutral on the monthly. All right, so potentially it can go either way. It can go. When it said neutral, it can consolidate and then come back down. All right, right here, I am still waiting for this sell stop to trigger on Euro AUD. It has not triggered yet. All right, and then the sell stop trigger on Euro USD at 0.7079. So it did trigger. This what we was talking about last week. As you can see, this right here was the news. All right, so that's why I said put your pending orders in. Pending orders. You see my two strategy candles right here, two candle highs above below the 20 EMA. Use the 5 ATR SMA, and you got your pending order right here. So during this news happened, you was good to go, because if you would have got in right here, this candle actually went up 117 pips. So if you had 100, you'd have got taken out real fast that day. But guess what? It came right back down, right in the direction it's supposed to go. All right. Other than that, that is what I have so far for the Forex pairs. And if you look right here, this is all the pairs I have traded for this week. So I don't even look at too many USD pairs, because USD is being kind of real funky right now. But if you see right here, these are the good pairs that I have right now, except for Euro USD. And I still think that's going to be bearish for a little bit longer. All right. Other than that, I do trade Nas here and there, but haven't traded it this week because I've been more focused on my Top Step prop account. Other than that, you guys have a blessed trading week, and I will see you guys next week.